Top Med Talk.
Vicki, I know you've done a lot of implementation. When you first implement a protocol and pathway, what are you using to ensure that sustainability?
Definitely think about it, trying to assess sustainability, number one, and what needs to happen. But through our data collection, we collect not only outcome measures, but process measures. And it's those process measures that help keep an eye on the compliance, which is going to lead to sustainability. So constantly looking at that, and if compliance goes down, then you know you have a problem and you need to try to fix it immediately.
Bethany, did you want to comment on that?
Sure. What we do is we hold monthly and quarterly meetings after implementation to continue to re-engage the team, continue to assess the data and figure out, okay, well, we've got a new program up and running, but what new things have we identified that are issues to help figure out how best to navigate from there. So I think not even only thinking about that ahead of time, but thinking about that all along the process. We're, 4 or 5 years out from colorectal, and we still hold those quarterly review meetings where we re-invite everybody from the team to come together and review data and just get different perspectives from various team members.
I would echo, actually, what she just said in that leading up to implementation for the implementation planning with your ERAS committee or what have you, and continually following same day of the month, whatever that is, if it's once a month, it's a standing meeting on your calendar to get everybody together and hear what everybody has to say within each department was very much key. And now with 4 hospitals in our enhanced recovery program, it's something that we do consistently with every single hospital. And the ones that have been running longer, we may go every other month, but otherwise it is an absolute set meeting once a month.
Top Med Talk is the broadcasting arm of EBPOM, Evidence-Based Perioperative Medicine. Our aim is to improve the outcome of patients undergoing surgery through creating a forum for research development, practical acquisition of essential skills, and dissemination of evidence-based perioperative knowledge. Top Med Talk is our latest dissemination innovation. We transmit live from conferences, then we podcast, have phone-ins, and run regular radio shows. Techno Talk is our commercial showcase where industry partners can introduce us to their new technologies and discuss features and benefits.